Flower motif. Start with magic ring. And make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 2 triple crochet. One, two, and 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch in the ring. I finish 1 pattern. Next, repeat the same pattern 5 times in the ring.